Hi guys. Oh my god, so I'm literally doing this. Hi. So this is not the intro to the video, but I thought I would do this vlog style. I was trying to set up to not do this vlog style, but this is going to end up being vlog style video because it's not working. Like, I've not been on here for over a year, and I don't know, maybe I just don't remember how to vlog or make videos anymore. So this is how it's going to be done. I'm not sure if I like the background that I have. That's another thing, so maybe that is it. Like, I don't know, nothing is working today, and I really just wanted to make a video today because I'm going out and all of that. So yeah, what go on, long time not seen another, you know. But a lot of people have been requesting that I come back to YouTube, and so I'm back. Yeah, so I'm back. I'm going to do my makeup now. What time is it? Let me see if I can actually talk long and do it. What's wrong with my phone? Oh, I'm using the wrong thing. It's 4:41. I have to be somewhere at, I'm going out at 6, so I have a lot of time to spare. So yeah, girl, come back. I'm looking for the little mirror because whatever. I should probably do my, should I do my brows off camera first and then come back? Let's see what will happen. I really don't know what to do, how to do what and what to do what. I swear, like, it's been so long since I've been here. I think this video is going to be a raw video. I'm not going to edit anything. I don't know, I really don't want to edit the video because every time I have to edit the video it don't go up. So yeah, I've not been on YouTube for maybe over well, maybe 2 years. No, 1 year and some months. Not that long, 1 year and some months, I think. I do see people commenting on my Instagram saying, where are you should come back to YouTube. And Shika, you can't argue, better than Shine, you can't argue no more, because I'm basically back if this video go out, because I've done this video like 3 times to come back on YouTube. And I didn't edit one of the I didn't edit 2 of the videos, but I edited 1 and it's basically on my channel. I just didn't publish it. That's how serious it is. Chopstick. So I haven't been on here for a while, and there's many reasons to that. Many reasons. I've been busy, that's one. I've moved to a different country. Well, I moved twice, to be honest. Don't judge a little tired. I like doing my makeup before I do my hair, and I just holding it down because my hair texture has changed. I'm just being natural, and there's a whole lot happening. So anyways, let us start with the first reason. The first reason for me not being here was I was taking a break because when I broke up. Should I be even calling names? The person I was with, we broke up. I'll probably block out his name because I said it. The person I was with, we broke up, and we are no longer, we were, well, at the time we were no longer together. I was just taking a break because of that. And then I really need to do my eyebrow and come back. I now can do this. Hold on. Yes, so I don't remember what I was saying, but I think part of it isn't in there, so I'm going to have to repeat. But I don't remember what I was saying. But anyways, I was at the reasons why I sorry for the background noise. I live in a very active area of where I live. So anyways, my ex and I broke up. That is the first reason, and because of that, I'm looking for a concealer. Because of that, I moved home in St. Thomas, and I didn't want to really vlog and talk about it at the time. So I decided that in that period I would not be vlogging. Then, because you know, you'd see vlogs and then you'd probably ask, and then I would have to tell you guys. So that's why I didn't choose to vlog at that time. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to start vlogging when I move here. That was what I was telling myself. So when I moved here, I'm going to start by vlogging. But that didn't go to plan, because when I moved here, I don't know if it was because of the fact that I was trying to find myself, as in find the situation that I want to be in here. I was actually not doing anything at all. Like I wasn't vlogging because I was in a new environment, a new place, a place where I don't even speak the language. I still don't speak the language. And then I found new people to become friends with, which I sincerely regret that I didn't vlog all of that, because no, they're not here. But like, I was just trying to find my foot into what has become my new norm. So anyways, I think I'm going off track a little bit, so let me go back a little. So after being in St. Thomas, like, this was planned from January, so this was planned before even my breakup happened, that I was going to move. Didn't really tell anybody. I think the only person who knew at the time was Jana, and she didn't take me serious. That's one of my friends, Jana. She didn't take me serious because she put up, I think she was the one who put up this thing asking if anybody wants to be a part of it. And I was like, give me the contact information and all of that. She was like, no, you're not going anywhere because you're in a relationship basically, so you're not gonna wait. So basically she thought she was giving it to me for a waste of time, but she still gave it to me. And I was looking into it and following through with everything, but I didn't know how to tell the person I was with in a relationship at the time, because I didn't know if I was going to get through. And that's something about me. If I don't know if I'm going to get through to something, I'm not going to tell you until which is a bad thing. I'm not going to tell you until I know that I got accepted or gotten through, and then we can deal with it, or we need to deal with it however we see fit to solve the situation, right? So that happened. I prayed about it because, as I said, it was something that I wanted to do, to be honest. Things were not working out really well in Jamaica for me, so I wanted to just find something else to do, really, because if you know, you know. Because I was struggling in Jamaica, to be honest. Not struggling like, I don't know how to explain it. Not financially struggling or hungry or them something there, but struggling mentally, I guess you can say. Because, you know, everybody have their own little struggle. I was struggling. So after all of that happened, it made it really easier for me to, even do this, because it was like during the period of doing this, like going through what I'm supposed to go through to get it done, that's exactly when we broke up. So I was going through the process of studying for all of this and studying to come here, and I was also in that relationship. So it was kind of, I'm going in circles, and I think it's because I'm doing my eyebrows. So let me just move on from my eyebrows. I'll do something else. All right, so boom, a breakup happened. Done with breakup situation. Moved to St. Thomas. When I was in St. Thomas, I was just having fun, because basically I knew that I was going to be here for a year. It was supposed to be a year. I was going to be in my family setting for a year, and then I would see them and then come back here after. Like, that's what was in my head, right? That I'm going to be here for a year, so I need to soak up all of my family, like soak them in. I'm a system. So I was just doing every single thing with my family, legit. Like, we were going out, we were partying, we were having fun, all of that. Staying in with my mommy, having conversation, just connecting with my family, bonding with them, because it was like, I know some time with them short, right? So I knew that my time with them were short, because I was planning to move. I was planning to come here, and with that, I wouldn't be able to see them for a year. Well, so I thought I wouldn't see them for a year, and then after the year finish, I'd get to see them, do the same thing again, and then come back here, right? I think I haven't done this on video so long, I don't even know what is happening. Anyways, had fun over the holiday, enjoyed every bit of it, enjoyed my birthday. My birthday was so epic. At one point I thought I was living in a movie, to be honest, like to how my life was going. I thought I was living in a movie, because I was having fun. Like, I was just saying yes to everything and doing everything. That was basically what I was doing, and that's the honest truth. Like, I was just living my best life. Then I don't even know, I'm just doing a lot of different things that I've never done before with my makeup today. So then after getting through to come, so I'm living in China. Yeah, so after getting through to come to China, and I am a teacher in China. No, so after getting through to come to China to teach, right, I got depressed, because even though I wanted to come, I don't know, the fact was that I wanted to do it, but maybe I thought that it wasn't going to work out. Like, it was going to be like, oh, I'm sorry, we cannot find anywhere for you to go. But it wasn't like that. I got many schools, to be honest, and then I had to make a decision on what school I wanted to go to. And then I don't know, something about the school that I am at now, they made me feel comfortable, to be honest. I think that was it, and I got a good vibe from them. So because I'm coming to somewhere that I've never been before, let us look at it. And I don't just want to go anywhere and the people them just are gonna take me for one big idiot. So I wanted to go somewhere that I would be comfortable and I could live peacefully. Right? So when they approached me, to be honest, I actually enjoyed the interview that we had together. And then after that, I had many other interviews that I really didn't, some of them I didn't like, some of them I did like, but you know, where I work, the pay is lower than work, because I work at a university, so I teach English to university students. But if you work like in kindergartens and all of that, you have more hours and you get more pay, basically. So I chose to work at the university solely because the people that I interviewed with, they made me feel comfortable. So I came here because of comfort, basically. Then after that, I was like, I'm going to vlog when I get here, because yeah, new experience, and I might not come back after the 1 year done, right? So I thought. Then I was like, okay, I will just do that. But I don't know, when I came here, as I said before, when I came here, I didn't understand the language. I still don't understand the language, and I was just trying to figure out things, like figure out my foot in to being here. So I think that's why I didn't vlog. And then I didn't want to push a camera in front of everybody, like face, which I don't think they would say no to, but it was like I just met them and I just want to get to know them for them, and then eventually if that happened, it would happen. But things didn't go as planned. As you can tell, because I didn't vlog anything really. It was just me being here and enjoying, well, not really and just living life until like this year. My family has been pushing me to vlog because evidently they're not around me and they just want to see how I'm doing. I think that's one of the big things why they want me to vlog, because I've been here for a year now. Because of corona, I couldn't have left for the summer, which I was supposed to be home for the summer, and then after that, I don't know, to be honest. Tell me something, Mom. To be honest, I don't know what this I go. Like, I really don't know what me talk about. I don't know what people do, they make up and have conversation, like serious conversation, because I can't do it. I cannot do it. Like, me there, I feel confused because I concentrate on makeup and I concentrate on, and I'm trying to concentrate on you guys at the same time. So yeah, so the reason why I haven't been on YouTube is because first, I broke up with my, well, I broke up my partner, so it fit that we should not go on. Well, he sent the text, I did the action. Let us put it that way, because he broke up with me but he wanted me to come back, but I didn't go back. And then I took the break because of that, because I didn't want to do all of that. And then coming here got overwhelming to a certain extent, and then I just never chose to vlog here in the beginning. And then after that I kind of did vlog, because I vlogged my summer. I probably still put out those vlogs. I can't edit them and put them out, but I vlogged in the summer holiday because I went to this island that they own here and I was vlogging there. But other than that, since I've been here, oh, and I vlogged when I did my corona test, because I had to do a corona well, I didn't really have to do the corona test, but I did it because we were traveling to a different province and we didn't want any hiccup, so I did the corona test because of that. And I can put those videos out, to be honest. I can put them out. I don't know. That's my AC, by the way, my heater, whatever. Because the time is cold here, so if you hear that noise in the background, that's it. And yeah, so that's what I've been up to really. Wait, what time is it? And nothing else. So I'm done talk before I'm done do my makeup. I don't know. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm fully back. Because I don't know. But I want to be back. Like, I legit want to be back. I miss everybody. Like the close people that I met on here. Like people, I've gotten close to some people. Like I can tell who like supported me really, because they were the ones who were on Instagram asking me when I'm coming back. And then some new people came on came onto my YouTube because of my Bad Fountain video, I believe, and they were asking me for new videos. But I don't live in Jamaica anymore. I can't give you any more videos like that, so we're gonna have to do China videos, because I don't know when I leave in China. Oh my god, my makeup look weird, but it gonna fix eventually. I have no idea to when China I gonna stop keeping in my life, because me feel like I'm just stuck here, really. And that's just that. So me just go and do what I'm supposed to do here. And there's so like when Corona started and all of that, I don't know if people know this, but China is a big place. And so we're going into China conversation now. And everybody that was discussing about, oh, them not one of the people them where they are China to come back to Jamaica. Look at us now. How the table has turned. Because y'all under curfew, y'all doing the most, y'all catching corona and stuff. I'm not saying that y'all should get it and all of that, but I'm just saying the tables has turned now. And basically the table has turned and we are right basically now, and we know go through alright to a certain extent. But you know what, I'm going to finish with that conversation, because people are gonna take me when I say and twist it, because I'm not saying that I am happy that you're all having it. I'm just saying be careful what you say and all of that, because you don't know the situation why the people them did want, you don't know the situation on why, like, because most of the persons who were trying to go home were students, and I can understand with that, because you don't have them not working, like they're not working, school not keeping, and them just locked down in them house. I was locked in as well, but where I am at is a complete different place from where people are at, because my experience in lockdown could be completely different from somebody else's experience, because of the fact that me kind of live in a little village. It's not a little village, but I live in a place where people don't really that racist. Let me say that. They're not that racist. They're not. Them kind of appreciate us being here, and them allow us to live, even though we still get pictures and them want to take picture with we and them want to do all of this thing, but them allow if you live. Them not do certain things. Understand me I say? Read between the line if you don't understand. So my lockdown experience was not all that bad, cause and actually I'm not gonna say it because I know it up again, but it wasn't a bad experience for me because I was here, and trust me, girl, you just like eat and sleep and watch movie. Really and truly until online class started, because we had online classes. So until that started up, I was just eating and sleeping, and to be honest, and going to the supermarket, that's the only time I would go out. And then eventually I started buying packages. Like, I started online shopping because that was the only thing left to do, and then eat and sleep. So I was doing just all of that: eat, sleep, online shopping, eat, sleep, online shopping. Let's see, me tell me say it will look better eventually. Yeah, no, have look of it. No, I. So that was what I was doing really throughout the whole. Why do I feel like this side of my face is lit more than this side of my face? Anyways, yeah, that's what I was doing basically throughout the entire situation with corona. And as I stated, not everybody's experience in China will be the same based on the fact that we're in China. Different provinces go through different things, and different community go through different things. So I'm going to end the video here because my battery is dying, and also I need to finish getting ready. When I finish getting ready, I'll probably come back. Okay, so see you guys when I'm finished. Well, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm recording this at an actual different time, but I realized that I didn't end the video, so I'm doing so now. I hope you enjoyed me explaining the reasons why I haven't been vlogging in a long time. I know I was all over the place in the video because I don't know how to do my makeup and talk at the same time. Like, I'm just getting back into the YouTube flow, so bear with me, please. Yeah, I hope you guys are ready to travel to China with me as well, because I'll be vlogging a lot about me being in China. It's a new experience for me, and it's an experience I think a lot of people want to know about, based on the fact that a lot of people in Jamaica are trying to come here to be teachers as well. And I will explain some of the processes. If you want me to, you can just comment down below what you want to see from me here and all of that, and I'll try my best to do it, because you have to remember that we're in a period in life where there's corona, and because of that, that has been hindering a lot of things that I wanted to do throughout even my vacation time now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I said before, comment below on the things that you want to see me do, and also if you want me to speak about becoming a teacher here in China, you can also do that. So comment that below as well if you want to see that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.